Hello everyone. If you are been working as a Scrum Master, Agile coach, or product owner, or Jira admin, and you probably wondered, should I create one Kanban board for multiple Jira projects? And the answer is yes, but only when it makes business sense. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple boards in a single project in a Jira. So let's walk through it together, nice and easy, so you understand not just what to click, but why each step matters. That's very important. So first, let's understand the advantage with very simple example. So let's imagine your organization has three Jira projects. One project is for, let's say, mobile team, another for backend team, and third for a QA team. If every team has its own Scrum or Kanban board, a scrum master or a delivery manager or a project manager has to switch between three different boards just to understand the overall progress. Now, in place of that, you can create one board, Scrum or Kanban board, that display issues from all three Jira projects. And this gives you a single view of the entire delivery process. That's the very first advantage. Second advantage is the better cross team collaboration. So, because all the teams are working on the same board, it's much easier to understand handoff between the teams. So, for example, if your mobile team finishes a feature, the backend team start their work and then QA pick it up. So everyone can clearly see where the work is at any given point of time, right? Third advantage is that, and which I believe is most important, is about reporting, right? So since all the work is visible on one board, Jira can generate meaningful reports. So for example, we have cycle time, we have lead time, we have CFD, the cumulative flow diagram, and of course the work in progress trends across multiple projects. Okay. Uh, Before you rush to create one board for everything, there is one more important point. This approach works best when all the projects belong to the same product, same program, or a value stream, and they follow a similar workflow. So that's very important. Okay. And yeah, if the project is completely unrelated, for example, one project is for HR, another for finance, or another for infrastructure, then combining them into one Kanban board usually create confusion rather than the value. Okay? So use one Kanban board across multiple Jira projects when the teams collaborate on the same business goal. They share a similar workflow and need end-to-end visibility. Otherwise, keep separate board to maintain the clarity and the focus. Okay. Also, there is one additional point if you are working in a safe environment. So in safe, agile restrain or art, they consist of multiple agile teams working together towards a common business objective and the value stream. So for example, within an art, you might have a mobile team, backend team, integration team, and QA team. And each team may have its own Jira projects or its own team board for managing day-to-day work, right? However, at the art level, you may also want a single consolidated Jira board or a dashboard that provide the visibility across all these teams. So this can help the Scrum Master, the train engineer, or the product management, or the stakeholder to understand the end-to-end flow of the work across the art. Okay. So the idea is not to replace every team's individual board, but teams can continue using their own board, while an additional cross team board provide a high level overview of the delivery across the art. Okay, so this is particularly useful during the PI planning, PI execution, dependency management, and art level reporting. So where you need visibility across multiple teams. Okay, so whether you are working with multiple Jira projects or multiple team within a safe art, the idea, the core, the principle is same. Use a consolidated board when it provides a meaningful cross-team visibility and support a common business objective. Okay, so that's about the theoretical part. Just to give you a context. So, friends, before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Career Stock for more Jira, Scrum, Safe AI, and project management content. So let's get started. Uh, there are several ways to create this board, Scrum and Kanban board. But the most effective approach, which I believe uh, is good, is to create a filter first. Okay, so we will use that filter to create our board, the Kanban board. So let's do that straight away. So I hope screen is visible. So I'm just, you can see these are some dummy projects, some old projects, some random projects. So, but then we have different one, two, three, four different projects are here. Yeah. So I'm just coming over here. I just want to create one simple filter. Okay, so you will come to this place and then let's remove this. Okay, so we will going to create our filter with the name multi-project board or a cross-project board, something like that. Okay. The very first thing which we are supposed to do is we'll put projects in. Okay, projects in, and then you will see multiple projects name. So let's take personal loan system, comma. Then we can have Scrum on project. And let's say we have this Agile Avenger project. Okay, so for this, we are just taking these three projects and oh, and of course the issue type. Yeah, sorry, issue type. Now, issue types, you can have your story, your bug, your task. That's something which we want to track, right? So again, issue type in, bracket start, and we'll type story, bug, and task. That's it. So this is our filter, and let's hit enter. Okay, so you can see 19 items over here. 19 total item across all these three different projects, stories, bug, and tasks. So that's a filter we just created. Let's save this filter. Yeah, you can just give name. So let's say multi project board. Uh, yeah, you can make it like organizational view if you want cross organization or your specific project group. Uh, so let's go with the organization. Editor again. Who want to edit it? Again, up to you. So let me just save it. It's up to you which setting you want, but of course it has to be across the project. So that's a very basic thing. Okay, so let's multi-project board and let's just save it. So this filter is created, saved. Okay, okay. That's the first part which we have done successfully. Total 19 yeah, different issues are here. Okay, now comes the second part. Okay, so uh, now we have to take this filter. So where you see all these kind of plus signs over here, yeah, create board. So if you look into this left hand side, you will find different projects where you want to keep multiple boards, and you can create multiple boards as well. So specifically look for a company managed project. So company managed project gives admin more control over the different settings and the workflow, which is ideal when you are adding more than one board for different teams or the views. Okay, you can hover around the project name in this sidebar, and you can look for this small add icon that will appear. Click on that add icon, and if you don't see it, try expanding this sidebar, you know, and then maybe you will have it, or maybe you will have to have a right kind of permission to create a board in your project. Check with admin if you don't have this plus button. Okay. Now you just do this. This is an entry point for adding new boards that live inside this particular project. Okay. So let's click over here it. So again, it's your choice which board you want to create. Okay. Uh, this is where you have to decide how your team will visualize the work. You can pick Kanban or a Scrum. So Kanban boards are great for continuous flow, where work moves through different stages without a fixed time box. And of course, the Scrum board are built for a sprint-based work where you plan in iteration. You can track different commitment and you can measure the velocity. So choose the type that best match how your team operate today. So if your organization has multiple teams in the same project, you might create one Kanban board for support work and maybe one Scrum board for the development team. And you will click it, and when prompted, you will give your board a clear descriptive name, and you will also confirm the project location if they are going to ask. Okay, you can have some simple naming convention like maybe a team name plus a board type that make it easy to tell boards apart from different other boards, right? And once you create this, the new board will appear under the same project within its own columns, filters, and the settings. And of course, you can repeat the same process to as many as board as your workflow require. And you can tailor to a specific team or a works team. Okay, so that's also something which you can do. Okay, so now let me create this Kanban. Okay, and you can yeah, you can have the name. So for example, again, yeah, multiple project overview, for example. And this is where the important part. So just pay attention. You click over here it, and there are multiple options. You can create this advanced one, and then try to find the multi-project board, which we just created, and hit create. Okay, so if you look into it, we have all those 19 items, 14 plus 4 plus 1. Yeah, so those 19 items we just in our filter. Now you will have this holistic view. So this is how you can create very simple multi-project uh, overview of your entire boards. Okay. So now you know how to add multiple boards to a single project in a Jira. Open your browser, search Jira, sign in, try it with your Gmail account if you don't have Jira. Yeah, try to find your company managed project, create filter, and over to reveal the add icon and just choose the Kanban or a Scrum, and then you're ready to organize work the way your team actually operate. So this is a one way. There are other ways. So for example, if you click over here, again Kanban. Now we have choose this advanced. Now you can even type this work type. You can do that, and it all work item from your space. You can even choose this option as well, and of course you have to give the name of your Kanban board, right? But I always prefer the previous one because once you choose this option, you may not able to see all the 19 options. Yeah, so I always prefer to have that filter thing. So that's about today's video. So if you have ever managed multiple Jira project using a single Kanban board, please put it in a comment. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to